In fourth characteristic, an EA is expected to handle user concurrently. In some systems, the number of users may be less of hundreds, but for a web-based system such as Amazon.com, it can be billions of users. There will be issues when different users need to access to the same data. For example, when adding item into the shopping cart. Data need to remain consistent throughout the process. And EA must run properly for the data to remain consistent. In the fifth characteristic is for EA to be able to scalable on need basis. Scalability is an attribute that describes the ability of a process, network, software, or organization to grow and manage increasing demand. EA should still deliver and behave as expected when demand is increasing. The ability for EA to deliver and behave when access or traffic of the network increase is known as scalable. Ability to scale on high traffic is monitored and managed by a software. An EA system is said to be maintainable when it is easy to be modified due to change. The change could be from external to EA, for example, change of government. Recently, GST is replaced with SST. Retail EA must include this requirement. Certainly, the business logic must change. A programmer needs to find the place to amend the code to comply to this requirement. The process to change to SST should be a breeze when the code is properly documented. Otherwise, we can say that the code is not maintainable. A maintainable code should be well written, neat, sufficient amount of comments, and good naming convention. The seventh characteristic is EA is expected to be secure. It should be protected from cyber attack and other vulnerabilities. When a cyber attack happens at an enterprise, it will impact the finance and the relations with the customer. Customer will not continue to do business when the enterprise did not take the steps to protect their sensitive data. Enterprise will suffer a financial loss when the customer withdraw due to this attack. Without effective security mechanism, enterprise will likely to fall. In the last characteristic, EA is expected to integrate other subsystems so that the enterprise can view it as one holistic application. It is common for an enterprise to have multiple applications that supports their business. It is also common for an enterprise to integrate these systems that was developed at different times with different technologies. Integration is not only for recent systems. It may need to integrate with legacy systems, such as COBOL. Common integration will use service-based method for common communication to facilitate collaboration between different mechanisms.